Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back really quickly just to share with you guys some happy mail that I received from a subby of mine, and also some things that I picked up from Aliexpress. They're not dyes, they're just crafting supplies. And I also picked up something from eBay that I wanted to share with you guys. So first things first, I wanted to thank Kathie very, very much for thinking about me. She had messaged me and asked if she could send me something, and I was like, okay, no problem. And so she sent me this beautiful card, and it says, "You are amazing." This is such a pretty card. I really, really like this. And she sent me a really nice note in the inside. And so I wanted to thank her and Big D for sending me these goodies. And it's so amazing because you guys know that I used to do Bible journaling, and I used to do Bible journaling videos. Well, I haven't done my Bible journaling in a while now, but I do want to get back to it. And I was just telling my sissy here on YouTube that I want to get back into Bible journaling. And so these came right on time. This Carpe Diem washi tape I actually been looking at, and I never picked it up. So I'm so glad that I have this now. And this is from the You Are Loved collection. And then this one is from the Inspired collection. This one says believe, love, faith, and hope, I believe. I think it's those 4 words that's on there. So super cute, nice washi tape to use in journaling or whatever. So glad to have those. And then she also sent me this, so cute. And it has like this little book that says faith, I love Jesus, love, and these little like houses and feathers and flowers. So super cute. So thank you so much for that, Kathie. I really, really, really do appreciate you sending me these. And you just don't know, I mean, these literally came in right on time, and I'm going to definitely put those to use. And I hope to start back doing my Bible journaling videos very soon. So the next thing that I wanted to share with you, I'll share some stuff that I picked up from Aliexpress. It's not much, but I did want to share it with you guys really quick, just in case you're looking for them. I did pick up these bags, and I believe there was 200 pieces in these bags. And these are like cello bags, but you can definitely use these for putting your embellishments and stuff like that down inside of. Now, they're not the thickest bags. They're, kind of thin, but they are the self-closing, and they are a nice size. This size says 14 by 20 centimeters. I'm not exactly sure what that comes out to, and I do not have my ruler over here, so I can't tell you exactly, but let's see if I have something that I can kind of measure it by. It's definitely bigger than an A2 size card, because this card is a little bit smaller than an A2 size card, and as you can see, it is bigger, much bigger than my card here. So, and it fits down inside of there like that. So it was like 200 in the pack, and it was very inexpensive. If you guys need any links or anything, just ask me in the comment section down below, and I will definitely email, link it for you in the comment section. I don't normally link in the description box. I know people ask me that all the time, to just link everything in the description box, but I don't do that because of all the trouble that we had with AliExpress and YouTube before. So I just rather not link it in the description box, but I will put it in the comments if you ask for it. And then that's another thing. If you are looking for something that I share from AliExpress hauls, just look in the comments, because 9 times out of 10 someone else has already asked me for it, and I've already linked it in the comment section down below. I also picked up these bags. These bags are smaller, and I believe I got 100 of these, and I picked up these because I thought that these would be better to put your smaller embellishments in. And then we'll just do a little comparison of this one. So this is that same card, and again, these bags are fairly thin, but they do the trick. So, and they're worth it because the price is right. Trying to get this little pipe cleaner part down inside of there without ruining the word, but let's see. So that is how that looks, and I really can't close this up top, but I can stick this card down inside of there. So I think these bags would be better for you know, putting your smaller embellishments and stuff down inside. And again, very, very inexpensive for what you get. So the next thing that I picked up, or that I just got in the mail, are these sequin. And I do have a lot of dies, guys. I got a lot of dies that I need to cut out and share with you guys, but I just don't have time right now to do that. But these are super pretty sequin that I picked up, and they're in this aqua kind of color. Very, very pretty. So I did get that in the mail. I also got this in the mail, and these are more of those pom-poms. Reminds me of the ones that I picked up from Daiso that I just hauled with you guys recently. Very, very pretty shabby chic colors, and so I went on and picked those up. And this is supposed to be 144, but I'm not exactly sure, and I'm not going to count them. So then the last thing from AliExpress are these gold leaves. And you guys know I made my own gold leaves by using some ribbon that I picked up from the thrift store. So I picked up this from Goodwill, and it is like this kind of ribbon, this gold kind of ribbon, and I just use this in my die cutting machine, and it actually cuts out the ribbon, the dies very well. But I already had these on order, so I went on and, you know, got these in the mail. But these are just gold leaves that you can stick in your projects anywhere. And I can't remember how many was in here. I want to say maybe, I don't know, I'm not exactly sure, but I'll double check it if somebody wants to know. Just let me know in the comment section down below. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you guys from AliExpress. And then I also went on, I did a what do you call it, a post. So there's a new thing here on YouTube where you can just write a post, and I usually do like my enabler alerts on my post, because I think that those get out really, really quickly to you guys, and you guys can go ahead and snag some of the deals that I can find out there. But this particular one was for the Crafter's Companion sale, and they had, I believe, 40% off the already clearance price plus free shipping. Now, I didn't get my entire order. They didn't have everything in stock, so they're just going to refund me for the things that I didn't get, which is fine. I did pick up this Verity Rose coloring pad, and this one is by Crafter's Companion. And what it is an actual book that has all the little girls already stamped out for you. So if you want to watercolor them or use your markers to color them, and then maybe use some type of dye or whatever to maybe cut them out, you can probably do that, or you can just fussy cut them. So it's a lot of different little images inside of here, and I honestly didn't even know what this was. I just wanted to pick it up because it was very inexpensive, and I wanted to see, it was called a coloring pad, and I was like, I wonder, what it was. And I don't have any of these girl stamps like this, so I just thought it was a good deal. So I went on and picked that up. I didn't even realize that I got this, because I wouldn't have. I'm not really into this type of thing, so I may be destashing this or doing something else with this. But this is Glamour Floral Vines embossing folder, and this one is an 8" by 1 1/4, and then this one is a 2 1/4 squared embossing folder. And this is from the signature collection by Sarah Davies. So I picked up that, and my total order was only like $15, but I think I'm getting a refund of like $6 or something like that. So, and it was free shipping, so it was a great deal. I really, really wanted just this. This was something that I saw, and I just fell in love with this little deer. I just thought she was so super cute. And then you get these sentiments: have a cool Yule, ding dong, have a holly jolly Christmas. And this is by Sheena Douglas, and it's called Dashing Deer, a little bit festive. And it's these rubber cling stamps like this, and you just stamp them out and color them up for your Christmas project. So I thought that was really cute. And last but not least, what I got from there is this embossing folder. I just didn't have anything like this, so I went on and picked it up. And it's called Love Lines. This is a 5x7 embossing folder by Leonie Pajot. So I picked up those things from the Crafter's Companion sale. So again, guys, when I send out those posts, just go ahead and check for those sale items and different things like that, because there's some great deals to be had. But some of these sales are like super quick flash sales that you have to really jump on to go ahead and get. The last thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this bow die that I picked up from eBay. And thank you to Shishi who texted me and told me about this, so I went on and picked it up. This is very similar to the bride's bow die, if you guys know which bow die I'm talking about. But it is one of those steel rule dies. This is, you can see it better on this side. So I wanted to just share with you guys what the cuts look like. So of course you get the back piece, the little thin looking piece, and then you get this little piece that you wrap around, and then you get the bow piece, which looks like this before you glue it together. So all I did was I just glued them all in the middle of the bow. And you know, you can use it on either side. You can use it on this side, or you can use it on this side. I honestly like this side better, so I'll probably use it on that side. And then what I would do is probably wrap it with the little middle part first, because this middle part is kind of short and it wouldn't wrap around the bow and this. And then I would just glue this part to here like this, and it just makes a really, really cute bow. I thought it was a really cute bow, so I thought it was a really good find. And I've been wanting a bow die like this for a while now, so I'm glad that I went on and picked it up. So that is about it. That is all I have to share with you guys. I hope to be back soon and share with you guys my Aliexpress haul from June, as well as some samples. My giveaway winners from my last Alina haul video, only one of them came forward, so I do still have 2 of those prizes left. So I'm trying to determine if I'm going to do another giveaway on that same video, or just do it on my next Aliexpress video. Guys, just make sure that you guys hit this subscribe button, and make sure that you hit the bell so that you will be notified of when I upload a new video. That way you will not miss out, especially if you're a winner. I don't want you to miss your prize, but you know, I can't make people do what they're supposed to do. And guess what? My rules are super simple. So not exactly sure what happened there, but that's okay. I was able to get one of those prizes out, and I also got my unicorn prize out as well. So I do have 2 more prizes left that I'll probably add to my next Aliexpress video, and I also have some more goodies that I'll be giving away. So that is about it, guys. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.